We've got big news here heading into May from Google Ads yet again, and it's also a positive one. If you're running Performance Max campaigns, you are going to be able to see a channel level placement of where Performance Max is allocating not only your dollars, which is nice because we haven't been able to necessarily see that within some of the search insights, but where some of the impressions, clicks are coming from, and even have a full distribution where you can see in a very cool chart how many impressions came from a certain channel. So let's say it's Gmail, how many clicks came from that, how many conversions, and sort of track throughout. And one thing that could be really nice with this is just, I guess the power of PMax is that you get put into some different channels that you might not typically do on your own. So let's say that it's a Gmail campaign that is showing up. We might say, oh, look at this. We can now see the amount that was spent, the impressions, the clicks, the conversion, and the conversion value, let's say. You can then take that and maybe build a new demand gen campaign where you're targeting that. So with this change in Performance Max, you're not going to be able to make adjustments per se to say, I want to tweak and get more Gmail, but you will be able to get better visibility, which is huge. To see maybe it was something you never thought in a million years would work, but oh, look at that. It's YouTube shorts that are working phenomenally and I want to go that route. Now, it doesn't stop there. We're also getting search terms in Performance Max. There is a threshold of personally identifiable information, or PI. So you might not see everything, but it should be fairly similar to what we see right now with search and with shopping, those type of search terms. And of course, we now have those 10,000 negative keywords that we can put in a Performance Max campaign and negative keyword lists coming. So this year, these videos have been quite different than other years. But I think, again, it's a testament to the fact that Google is listening and Google is working to get more value to its advertisers. And especially with something like Performance Max that has been called things like a black box of information, as you just sort of put your dollar budget in and then see what happens. We're getting actual insight. And yes, I still think there's ways to go. Maybe there could be some adjustments, channel adjustments up or down so that you can get the right mix that you want with Performance Max. But the biggest takeaway is we will be getting data and being able to make better decisions from those campaigns. So if you are looking for any help with Performance Max or any other ad platform, this is a great time to be an advertiser, especially if you're running Google Ads. We're just getting more and more helpful, insightful changes that should make everybody's outcomes and efforts and returns better.